appeal, it's about securing clarity so that all role players can understand what that constitutional provision is.
I-IEC ifake isicelo sekubukeda sinqumo lesathathwa inkantolo yeDelkhetfo lesiyalela ukuthi imengameli waphambili kuleli Jacob Zuma achubeke abesiluhlwini labatawungenela Delkhetfo phansi elicembu lemkhonto wesizwe.
The 11th of April 2024 will be the last day for the collection of e-tolls in South Africa.
Inhlangano yemphakathi leyatiwa nge-The Organisation Undoing Tax Abuse i-Outer ngalokufinyetiwe ithi akukafanele kuthwalwe bashayeli betimoto ukukhokhelwa kwesikweleti lesisele sema-e-toll.
The matter has been postponed to next week, Friday the 19th. All accused remain in custody.
Uyise waLuke Flers, Theo Flers, uthi ubaxolele laba lababulele indvodzana yakhe, kepha uthi ufuna umthetho udlale indima yawo. Kuphi la sifinyelela khona sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele itindzaba entesiswati lesitethula bukhoma la SABC. Khumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi letindzaba tiyatfolakala ku Facebook, YouTube, X na ku SABC Plus. I-IEC ifake isicelo sekubukeda sinqumo lesathathwa inkantolo yeDelkhetfo lesiyalela ukuthi imengameli waphambili kuleli Jacob Zuma achubeke abeseluhlwini lalabatawungenela Delkhetfo ngaphasi kwelicembu lemkhonto wesizwe. Elkhetfweni lwakulenyanga letawetfasa inkantolo yeDelkhetfo iphinze yathi asibekele eceleni isinqumo lebesithethwe i-IEC lebesigunyadwe esigaba 47 siceshana sekuqala semthetho sisekelo. Kulesinqumo ke lesimikise inkantolo yemthetho sisekelo i-IEC ifuna ukuthi le nkantolo iguqule isinqumo senkantolo yeDelkhetfo lesivumela Zuma ukuthi angenele Delkhetfo abe ngulomunye walabameli MK.
Okay, let's make it easy.
Solo yaqhubeka impi emkhathini kwe-IEC nemkhondo wesizwe party. Sikhulule setulu se-IEC Simon Mobulo simemetele ukuthi le komishana iphikisa lesinqumo senkantolo yeDelkhetfo lizumela umholi MK party Jacob Zuma ukuthi angenele Delkhetfo. I-IEC ifake isicelo sekuphikisa lesinqumo njengoba bengakativa tizathu tenkantolo ngalesinqumo.
This matter really, or rather the appeal, it's about securing clarity so that all role players can understand what that constitutional provision is, how it ought to be interpreted, and that for the future, everybody then knows with certainty and legal clarity as to what that provision provides for and does not provide for.
Lesinyathelo se-IEC siholele ekutheni MK party kungabade kutimela kwalomtimba lobuka Delkhetfo.
As far as we're concerned, this is clear overreaching by the IEC. And like we've always said, it's a clear desperation act. Why would they go to the extent of wanting to further this case and this matter when it's actually the actual objector who ought to be taking this matter further? It's not the IEC's role. What have they got to lose? Why are they so adamant that this matter must continue? The IEC, as far as we're concerned, continues to act in a way that is very concerning, and it's bringing about a lot of questions about their independence and in terms of what exactly their role is here.
Akhuluma nabalenzeli bakhe ngaphandle kwenkantolo ngalesine Zuma usole i-IEC ngekungenela tepolitiki.
I-IEC ngenaphi kwezepolitiki?
Kusenjalo MK party ithi inhloko lengameli bajaji Raymond Zondo Dr. Matima ukuthi ingathathi lihlangothi naye ngaba ingcenye loludzaba le-IEC. Ndlela uthi lokho kusuka ekutheni Zondo ale kuhoxa komishana lebakaze iphenya ngegomandla kwamandla embuso lekwenzela ukuthi Zuma agwetshwe ejele etinyanga elishumi nesihlanu ngakwephula umyalo wenkantolo.
This is the same constitution that presided and over the matter of sentencing President Zuma in the first place. So Judge Zondo in himself finds himself conflicted. There's no doubt about that. He's conflicted in this matter. And the IEC now, by virtue of them bringing this case, further makes this whole process a constitutional crisis.
I-MK party phinze ndalibito lokuthi iCommissioner IEC Janet Love asuswe ngekhehla lesikhundla imsola ngokuthatha lihlangothi. Lokhu kulandela iphimso latenda kaZuma ngokuthi ngeke akulungele kungenela Delkhetfo. Lesekubuyenya lo sekuva ukuthi ingabe inkantolo lomthethosisekelo italela nini loludzaba.
Lisela lekuqala lamabhalane jikelele we-ANC noMvula Mkonyana lithi inhlangano lebusako itawula kudzimade kuphuka imikhono ilolo luphawu lwayo lwesikhali lolusetshenziswa inhlangano lesanza kusungulwa umkhonto wesizwe. Mkonyana bekakhuluma nenzatheli ye-SABC eLimpopo.
We had a case in Durban on the issue of our logo, on the issue of our legacy. That is a battle that will fight beyond the elections. So it's not about the office and its credibility. It's about us embracing the rule of law.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi ngekubuka kwakho ingabe lolu khetho lolutako lutawuba ngilolukhululekile yini kulandzela indlela i-IEC lenda ngayo umbono wakho yalandzela.
I-IEC kumele isho mangabe siyi-political party ivele ungenele ukhetho siyivotele ngoba lempu abayilwayo angiyazi ukuthi bayilwela bani bayilwiselani MK okusho konke ukhetho ngeke lisabo olukhululekile nolufair.
Lelo khetho lola ngilibona ekukhululekile yabona i-IEC nayisachema namanye amaqembu lento phela isibona nayingane encane.
Angiboni ke mina into errong eyenziwa i-IEC isaqhubha nje ngendlela okumele vele iqhube ngayo ilandele umthetho nokubona kwayo ngokwemthetho yayo elawulo ukhetho.
Into ekhalisayo IEC ngibona sengathi nje manje sengiqembu lezepolitiki.
Lizaba lelikhululekileyo lona ikhetho leli kwi-IEC but ke manje ke lizokritisizwa lizogxekwa lizokwenyeliswa vele abanye mabeluzile bazolikritisiza.
Ngokwami ngibona ukhetho kuzoba ukhetho olukhululekile kakhulu ngoba konke okwenziwa u-IEC njengamanje indlela ozama ngayo ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi bonke abantu abangenela ukhetho kubafanele ukuthi balingenele.
Lona ke ngumbono mbukeli i-SABC ngeke ethweswa kutiphendulela ngayo. Inhlangano yomphakathi liyatiwa nge the Organization Undoing Tax Abuse awuthanga lokufinyetiwe ithakafanele ikuthwalwe bashayeli betimoto ukukhokhelwa kwesikweletu lesisele sema e-toll acishwe indvuna yetekutfutsa Sindisiwe Chikunga nandvunankulu waseGauteng Panyaza Lesufi phakathi kwalamabili. Lolu hlelo lema e-toll belingaphansi kwe-South African National Agency SANRAL kanti ke lwasusa umsindvo nalisukunyiswa ngenyanga yeNgongoni nga-2013.
We are making history as we committed and promised that the 11th of April 2024 will be the last day for the collection of e-tolls in South Africa.
Tidfonsa umoya tibungata impumelelo tinhlangano temphakathi lebetilwela kususwa kwema e-toll. Acinywe unomphela phakathi kwalamabili ema e-toll. Hulumende wetame ngako konke lokusemandleni ukuthi bashayeli betimoto bakhokhele ema e-toll kepha wangaphumeleli. Ugcine ngekuthi atibophelele ekuwagcimeni nyakenye lokushicelelwe emavikini lambalwa lengcile. Tinhlangano letifana ne-Alta solo tingatibeki phasi tithi cha akasukhokhelwa abashayeli.
We're very excited. This is the day we've been waiting for, the official turn-off, the Gazette that was passed 2 weeks ago, marking tonight or last night as the final switch-off.
We really appreciate the scrapping of the e-tolls. They have been a problem to us as the operators here in Gauteng, and it was affecting us negatively. So,
bashayeli betimoto basithakasele lesinyathelo.
Really relieved. We have been paying e-tolls, so yeah, I think it's a good thing.
Nanobe ema e-tolls atawususwa ngalokuphelele lomuhla, labo labakweletako sikweleti sabo sitawube solo simile.
No, they don't have to pay. There's no outstanding bill. Quite frankly, SANRAL have written off this debt.
Kanti ke ema e-tax angasetshenziswa kuwo onke ema toll plaza.
Emaqembu laphikisako wathi lenkinga lichubekako yekungakhokhela kwe-student netinsolo tengohlakala esikhwameni semali ye-student i-National Financial Aid Scheme kwenela phasi impilo ye-student. Lamaqembu athi lokhu kuphinze kwende kube buthakathaka kusebenta kutemfundo lephakeme kanti ke bewaphendvula ngesinyathelo sanzimande sekuhlakata libhodi le-NSFAS. Lendvuna yelitiko letemfundo lephakeme ithi kuhlakatwa kwalebhodi kuhlose kutfutfukisa kusebenta kwe-NSFAS.
Tichudeni tithi lesinyathelo sekuhlakatwa kwebhodi ye-NSFAS sifike sevele ingodi yengcenye ndlela kwatise letinye besevele titisulu tekungakhokhelwa timali tato kulesikhwama. Tinkampani letine te-fintech tacashwa ngenhlaba nyakenye ukuthi tabe imali ye-NSFAS lelinganiselwa ku-50 billion wemarandi ngepha tingcinamba letaba khona tenca kuconza.
Surely, my brother, this issue started a very long time ago, not 2023. We would say that NSFAS has been incompetent for a very long time.
Leti students setilambele kususwa esikhundleni kwendvuna elitiko letemfundvo lephakeme Dr. Blade Nzimande ngobe tinsolwa ngenkohlakalo kukhwabanisa kanye nekwehluleka kwengamela sikhwama se-NSFAS.
The urgent implementation of structural reforms to ensure that NSFAS operates in a manner that prioritizes the needs of students.
Errol Makhubela sikhulu lesibuko tekusebenta ka-NSFAS wemukele incwadzi yetikhalo lesuka etitudenini tase-UP, UJ, TUT, University of Limpopo nakulamanye emakoliji eTVET.
So we've listened attentively to all the demands that they've been raising and we are going to be looking at them, we're going to be processing and we shall respond as requested.
Ti-student tiyagcizelela ukuthi uma tifuno tato tingahlanganyetwa ngemsombuluko tilibangise etindlini tembuso Union Buildings.
Kanzi kuletinye nasibuye titolo. Liphindile mengameli wakuleli Paul Mashatile lithi lenetiseka ngemsebenzi lo wendiwako teunyusa mthamo wemandi lo wabelwa lidolobha laseThekwini. Asikwamukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindaba tesiswati nacetha ngena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Lisekela lamengameli kuleli Paul Mashatile lithile netisekile ngemsebenzi lowendiwe kwehlisa tingcinamba tekuphakelwa kwemandi etindzaweni letingaphasi kwamasipala weThekwini. Mashatile ubuke tindzawo letihlande emandi kuleli dolobha. Lisekela lamengameli liniketwe ngumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa umsebenzi wekuhola lithimba lelibukene netemandi nekungenelela kwetfulweni kwetidzingoncandi.
Uhulumeni uthi uyazama uqeda izinkinga zokuntuleka kwamanzi kanjalo nezinkinga zendle eThekwini. Inqalazinda endala nokucekeleka phansi kwayo inqalazinda ngenxa yekhukhula kubalwa njengembangelo yokuntuleka kwamanzi okwadala ukuthi imiphakathi yaseNanda eAdams Mission eNtuzuma naseVerelem ivuke umbhejazane itelekela amanzi. Le nqalazinda eseSikhawu Lake nayo yashawaza ikhukhula. Umasipala uthi usubeke eceleni imali ebalelwa ku-500,000 amarandi ukuyilungisa.
In some areas we find that the problem is because of aging infrastructure. But if you have regular maintenance, repairs, in the long run we'll be able to deal with that problem.
We are anticipating that in the next 6 months they'll be able to add quantity of water. So most of the challenges will be addressed on the southern part through that intervention.
Isihlanza manzi se-Adams Mission kulindeleke ukuba siphakele izindlu ezingu-1,500 njengoba siqeda ukwakhiwa ekupheleni kwalenyanga. Mashatile uthi uculisekile ngeinhlelo ayibone eThekwini.
The flooding that took place really affected this city quite a lot. But there's a turnaround now. And I'm satisfied with the report I've received about the plan.
Leli thimba eliholo Mashatile lizoba nohlaka lezokuphepha ukuqinisekisa ukuthi inqalazinda emqoka efana neyamanzi iyavikeleka. Eyindabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eAdams Mission eThekwini.
Inyana nalemele tisebenzi tahulumende ihambise incwadi dikhale etikweni letempilo leli kumasipala wesigodi iNelson Mandela Bay eGqeberha ifuna ukuthi kucashwe ngalokuphelele tisebenzi tetempilo letisebentela tikhungo temphakathi linyendi lato kwelicashwe ngaphasi kwenkontileka yalelitiko kusukela nga-1992 ngemva kweminyaka lengemashumi tisebentiso latinaso sicinisekiso semsebenzi imholo nenzuzo. Le nyonyana ithi ifuna kucedzanya ngale ncubomgomo yekonga yetimali ematikweni ahulumende.
Sizokulwa ke sinyanzelisa izidingo zonompilo ukuthi mabaqeshwe ngokupermanent sikwalwa nokuphungulwa kwe-security officers kwii-facilities zethu esiphangela kuzo sisithi ne-equipment namayeza nazo zonke inkonzo ekumele ukuthi ziyanikezwa kubantu abasuka emakhaya abazali bethu abamelwane naye wonke umuntu makhe uhulumende wethu noko asuke kubuqhophololo bokuhleli nje ukhala ngokuthi akanayo ibudget makayazi ukuthi xa esithi uyasave ibudget uyisave ngeexpense kabani silwela lonto namhlanje silapha kwelisebe lezempilo
sipeya i-4,480 rands something but akabikho change asinazi benefit only i-tax imali esiyitsalelwayo akho compensation akho pension allowance akho ntoni silapha kudala siyakhoboka kukho abazali nangoku abagqiba o-65 years abaretirishayo bazawufumana ileta qha ebhaliweyo enkosi
ewe into esihlangana nazo silunywa zizinja abantu basivuleli bayasithuka kodwa sibaphathela amachiza wempiliso
emathamba labasithupha lesebakhone kufaniswa nehlobo tabo sakulungele kulandwa dinini abuyisele emakhaya kubo kule Botswana imindeni ke icale yaluleka ngokengcondvo ngembi kokuthi iyobona lamathambo lamanye ke emathambo alaba ngamashumi lamane nesihlanu lababhubhe engodini yebhasi ngesikhathi balibangise esontweni lesen engena ZCC asacilongela lifaniso.
The Department of Health will then issue the traveling document, which includes clearing of these bodies to say they did not die of any infectious disease, therefore they are safe to can travel to Botswana. So once that work is done, then we'll be taking getting the undertakers and then repatriation. But all the teams that are supposed to be here, they are here. So everything will be done here. They won't have to leave the hospital from here to go to Home Affairs, from here to go to the department. We will do everything today in this hospital.
Nasivashela ke timali ethe imali sifaka uselirandi lehlile nelicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kutemdlalo uyise wa Luke Fleurs Theo Fleurs uthi ubaxolele laba lababulele indvodzana yakhe kepha ke uthi ufuna umthetho udlala inzima yawo labasola labasithupha bebavele enkantolo yamanje lamuhle Roodepoort
bavele enkantolo yamanje Roodepoort lomuhla babekwaqala labasithupha labasolwa ngekubulala umdlali weKaizer Chiefs Luke Fleurs bathweswe emacala lasithupha lafaka ekhathi kubulala kubamba inkunzi kutholakala nesibhamu kanye nokutama kuhlulekisa kusebenza kwemthetho.
The matter has been postponed to next week, Friday the 19th. All accused remain in custody until then. They've elected to apply for legal representation from Legal Aid.
Fleurs utawungcwatshwa eThekwini evikini lelitako kanti umndeni wakhe bowukhona enkantolo lomuhla.
It was very hard for us also to hear that they found weapons, ammunition on them, and at that young age for them to be involved in stuff like that, it's just heartbreaking.
Lelicala liqhutshwe lembili kwentela ukuthi babekaqala abathole bameli bese bafaka isicelo sebhayili kanti iminyaka yabo isemkhathini kwa21 kuya ku31.
Singathi bekuphasa sibuke nadi lethambe imbili lamuhla.
Securing clarity so that all role players can understand what that constitutional provision is.
IEC ifake isicelo sekubukeda sinqumo lesathathwa enkantolo yeTelkhetfo lesiyalela ukuthi imbekambeli waphambili leli Jacob Zuma achubeke abeseluhlwini labatawungena lalkhetfo phasi licembu lemkhonto wesizwe.
The 11th of April 2024 will be the last day for the collection of e-tolls in South Africa.
Inhlangano yemphakathi liyatiwa nge-The Organisation Undoing Tax Abuse awuthanga lokufinyetiwe ithi akufanele lithwalwe bashayeli betimoto kukhokhelwa kwesikweletu lesisele sema e-tolls.
The matter has been postponed to next week, Friday the 19th. All accused remain in custody.
Uyise waLuke Fleurs, Theo Fleurs, uthi ubaxolele laba lababulele indvodzana yakhe kepha uthi ufuna umthetho udlala indima yawo. Asesisishavu kembombela sive ukuthi Sibusiso Mahlalela uchuba njani kule kuphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM njengoba ihlelo selivele selisemoyeni. Mahlalela sikwamukele.
Siqhubeke neluhlelo eqinisweni la kuza kwethu basike sabavele ke betakithi la njengoba ke sitabahlebela use mhlambe ngitiphike letu ethamba ke embili uhlelo letiphuma embiteni njengoba sitakuthola ke nawo ke umbiko lothi mabhala nejikelelo wenhlangano yekucala nobe lisekela mabhala nejikelelo wenhlangano yekucala ku-ANC makene umvula amogonyane bekathi ke akhangasa lapha ke isifunda saseLimpopo edzaneni lapho athembe sekhona ke bahlali bakunake indzawo ukuthi bantu bathola ke mandi kule ndzawo njengoba ke uhulumende wena konke lokusemandeni iqinisekisa usineke indzaba yemandi iyacazulula kule live kakhulukati kule ndzawo yaseLimpopo kusigodi sasedzaneni zaseltethu rendani ibambisana Zandile Nkosi basihlanganisele nawo umbiko.
Dikuqala phaketha lamuhla siphindze futhi sihlangane evikini lelitako obusuku abuye ngilobuhle ngemva kwetitolo sikhona Simuselitulo.